What's up, graphic designers? In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to download and install Photoshop on your computer at home for free. That way we can learn a few new graphic design techniques this spring. And I'm hanging out on this beach in the tropics. I'm lying. Like you, I'm probably in the epicenter of all this madness. But, with the power of Photoshop, it gives us an opportunity for a little escapist entertainment. And we're going to pretend that we are anywhere we want to be this spring. So without further ado, how exactly do we download and install Photoshop? We're going to click this link that you're going to find in Google Classroom. And when you do, it's going to ask you to sign in. So you're going to sign in with your student email. And when you do that, you're probably going to get this window right here that says additional account details required. You're going to go to your email and it says, reset your Adobe ID password. You're going to click this link right here. And when you do, it says, welcome to Adobe. Let's get started. So our email is already in the field. You're going to write your first name, your last name, and you're going to come up with the password. Probably it's going to be your, I'd recommend your lab student email account password. We are, of course, in the United States. I'm going to put in my birthday. Let's see, 1982. All right, we're going to press continue. And when we do, you're going to make sure, obviously, that you read everything, scrutinize every detail. Then you're going to press continue. And so now we're going to get this window right here. But we're going to pause. We are not going to click on anything right here. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to return to Google Classroom, and what you'll find, hopefully, is this link that actually Dylan was able to find for us. And I'm going to, let's see, I believe it was, creativecloud.adobe.com/app/all/desktop. And when you do that, this window is going to pop up. I'm going to pop in that window pop in this email one more time super quickly. All right. And it's going to say, do you want to add a mobile phone number? Not now. I'm all good. Beautiful. So when you arrive, you're going to see all of these apps that are available in your subscription. You're going to left click install, and it says open Creative Cloud Desktop app. You're going to say sure. You're going to click OK, and then a window is going to come up. It's going to say desktop app usage. You're going to click continue. And then I've already got Photoshop on this computer, so it's going to want me to update it. Probably it's going to say something like install Photoshop. You're going to click continue. And then there on out, you should be good. You'll have it installed. Let me know when it's installed on your computer by clicking that form. I wish you the best of luck, and I cannot wait to see the work that you're going to produce this spring.